In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. There are enough number of people living here in Pakistan who are of the view, particularly the younger folks. They are of the view that unless and until they don't leave Pakistan and get settled somewhere else in a developed country, they will not be able to make progress. They will not be able to gain prosperity, will not be able to lead a good life. Is it true or okay, by the way? Is it true? I think that going outside, traveling, migration, if you are living in a village or in a smaller city and want to migrate to a bigger city for the sake of economic development, for the sake of other facilities, that is fine. That is quite nice. Nothing wrong in it. Migration is good. If you want to travel from a major city or from a minor city of Pakistan or from a village to a better country for the purpose of employment or for the purpose of permanent settlement, whatever the reason, it is equally good. Not bad in it at all. Nothing bad in it at all. But if at all you are unable to migrate, if at all you are unable to migrate, then, or if you are waiting to migrate and have to spend some or a good amount of time here in Pakistan in the same society, in the same village town, then rest assured that you can lead a good life here in Pakistan as well. And why am I saying this? Because there are examples. I believe that you will be knowing some of these examples as well. I believe that you will be knowing some of these people as well who did not leave Pakistan, maybe because they did not get the opportunity. They belong to a humble background. They were not prosperous people, not living a comfortable life, not so resourceful, but they have developed. They have developed considerably well and developed because of their hard work, because of their positivity, not because of something bad, not because not because of some dishonesties, cheating. Sheer hard work, positivity, good decisions, good senses they developed. So I'm repeatedly saying that migration is not bad, it is rather good. Whether you want to migrate from a village, small city to a major city of Pakistan, or you want to travel abroad for the sake of employment, for the sake of permanent settlement, in both of these cases, it is absolutely right. Absolutely right. But as long as you are in Pakistan or you can't migrate, you do have to live in Pakistan permanently, or you do have to spend some of your time here in Pakistan, then look upon those people who have developed and who are developing, despite the fact that they hailed from a very humble background. but they were resilient, hardworking, positive. So your development actually is quite possible. Keep trying to travel abroad if you are willing to. But since you do have to spend some of your time here now, since you will keep coming to Pakistan even if you get settled abroad, and since you do have to return to Pakistan maybe after some of the time, or even you if you get settled permanently, but you will have certain people who are your loved one here in Pakistan, or even if there isn't anything like any of these things, then there in the western country or somewhere else you will be associated with Pakistan. You will be known as somebody who came from Pakistan, somebody who's an ethnic Pakistani. So you cannot completely disassociate yourself from Pakistan. We need to own it. We need to work for our prosperity without damaging any individual or the society as a whole. Think positive. Work hard. Think positive. Work hard. Be resilient. Keep trying. Keep trying. And your attempts will be rewarded, I believe. Your hard work will be rewarded, I believe. Your positivity will be rewarded, I believe. Your resilience, your good decision making, your good senses will be rewarded. Keep seeking advice from the positive people, from the people who have achieved and who are achieving without doing anything bad, without doing anything unethical. Thank you. Jazakallah.